BBM, pabor sa anti-dynasty law. Unipink, totoo ba? What do you get when you give a spoiled brat who gained his notoriety, posisyon sa gobyerno, pagpapayamang walang hangganan?
He was a little bit of a nerd as a kid, so he wanted to do physics, maths, biology, but my grandfather was like, there's no money in that, so switched to politics.
And the power to influence national politics hitherto undreamt of in the history of our country.
Did you seriously just say hitherto undreamt of?
The President directed Congress to prioritize the following proposed legislative measures. Anti-dynasty bill.
Katulad ng sinabi natin kanina, nagbabago ang political landscape. Maraming umaabuso. At tama naman ang Pangulo, ang kapangyarihan ng pagboto ay nasa kamay ng taong bayan. Pero dahil dito may mga naaabuso, nais ng Pangulo na ipabatid sa taong bayan na kayo ay may choice. Choice na naaayon sa merito, hindi lamang dahil pare-pareho ng apelyido.
Gulat kayo, no? I mean, imagine the most notorious Nepo baby who benefited from ill-gotten wealth, power, and influence somehow directed the House of Representatives to prioritize key progressive at, seemingly against self-interest tulad ng anti-dynasty bill.
You cannot stop people from wanting to serve. Amy wants to serve. I want to serve. Sandro, my son, wants to serve. What will I tell them? No, don't help them or process to mitigate the overstaying, let's say, of political dynasties, and it's called an election.
Isa mo pa yung mga bills na pinangunahan at final ng mga pink senators at left to center left na mga grupo. Like the aforementioned anti-dynasty bill na nilalaban sa Senado at House of Representatives, which